C'est moche.
On peut monter jusqu'à 200 mètres.
L'obélisque de Washington ne mesure que 169 mètres.
En somme, c'est ça qui montera le plus haut.
So I'm Matthias Bouka. I'm the director of photography based in Paris, in France, and I'm here to talk about Eiffel, the movie, directed by Martin Bourboulon, produced by Pathé and VVZ Production. I met Martin. Martin presented me the project. It was like, I don't want to do the movie that people expect about the Eiffel Tower. It's like a flag for France. It's something really important, so you cannot do what you want with it. It's a story of a man building the Eiffel Tower, but it's also of a story of this human. So I wanted to be on both sides all the time.
Une tour. 300 mètres.
Trop grand, trop haut.
Tout Paris est contre nous. Ils en sont même à compter le nombre de morts que la tour va faire en s'effondrant.
The first decision for me was how I'm going to shoot this Eiffel Tower. It's quite hard to shoot the Eiffel Tower because it's quite high in a really flat place where the buildings around are quite low. So you have to go really, really, really wide from it. And when you like really far away from the Eiffel Tower, you don't feel that is a big thing in metals. You lose that energy, especially when you shoot in 240. And how we're going to put the Eiffel Tower in a 240 ratio and not being like at 400 meters from the Eiffel Tower. When you look at the Eiffel Tower, it's almost like you are already in wide lens. You have this distortion. Well, from the ground, you have like this, it's quite massive and it's go really thin to the end. I didn't want to use a 18 millimeters or stuff like that, like wide lens, because I didn't want to exaggerate that. And I didn't want also to put all the actors further away and far away from the Eiffel Tower. I want to have this opportunity to be close.
Entièrement en métal. Un défi à la gravité.
That's where I start to do some tests and I start to think about which type of camera and which type of lens I'm going to use to shoot the Eiffel Tower. I start to see which camera can give him that opportunity to put the Eiffel Tower in the frame and feel it behind the actors, because that was my challenge. In that kind of movie, you need a lot of camera. You cannot do everything with one camera. Basically, what we did on Eiffel is that we use all the Alexa, from Alexa Mini to Alexa Mini LF to Alexa LF to Alexa 65. We get all of them. So sometimes on this place where we were like walking high, we were needing a small camera just because we need to be able to get some weird angle. Then we use Alexa LF for all the long lens, for 180, 200, and I was also using an extender. And also, I was using also the LF just as big camera. So we use all the family. We more or less change a bit the LUT that we were using between big camera, so between Alexa LF and Alexa 65. We're just changing a bit, which is interesting because Alexa 65, it's quite hard to get on set. You don't have that much. When you think that you can combine that with Alexa LF or Alexa Mini LF, then you start to having quite easily with you. The first day of shooting, I was already where I want, you know. The first day of the shoot is not to start to make the LUT, you know. I had already my LUT, testing with the light, which is important. Don't do your LUT without thinking about which kind of light you're going to use. That doesn't make any sense, you know. When we proposed the Alexa 65 to the post-production house that make the effect, they were like quite exciting. We want to avoid as much as possible the green screen. So we want to do as much as possible rotoscopy. And by having a 6.5K sensor resolution, it's much more easier for them. And also the fact that we were like bringing the background closer to the actors, so they had like so much space around the actors by using the large format to put the CGI and to continue to feel it.
Ce que nous allons entreprendre, personne ne l'a jamais tenté. Nous allons construire un rêve. Cette tour, les gars, c'est celle de la France. C'est surtout la vôtre, la nôtre. C'est ensemble qu'on l'a commencé. C'est ensemble qu'on va l'achever.
The grading was like a dream for my color grader So for him, working with a large format, but like the Alexa 65, because I think it's the camera that brings you the maximum of color that you can have, honestly, with a wider format like that. And the good color that I like, because it's all about that, bringing a lot of color, but the good one, not the bad one. In a good way. I mean, we had a really, really sweet and quiet color grading.
Pense à tout. La vie m'a appris à me méfier des surprises.